Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Orpington in Kent and wanted to show you around this, what looks like a J kind of studio office, bit of a special size here, but actually being used as a poolside room and plant room, plus additional storage. Let me show you around. So based on our J Garden studio, we've got UPVC doors and windows in the anthracite. Works really nicely with this green here. If you can see around here, it really does sit in nicely. And it's some distance from the house. If I come across the swimming pool that's still winterized at the moment, the house is quite some distance down. The clients really like to come down here and enjoy the pool in the summer. I wanted a little change room space plus a plant room. There was an old kind of wooden cabin here that we removed. And let me show you around because it's not quite how you'd think inside. So the door, integrated blinds, which is a really nice addition for this space, and compact in itself because it's only 2.5 metres deep. And you can see here we've got all this cupboard space. So all of this, let me open one setup for you. You can just see here is a really nice cupboard space, shelving, adjustable shelving, just set up perfectly for everything you need to do with the swimming pool. Plus this could be used as a changing room, which is the whole idea. We put a heater in it. And also the client said, actually, I might just use this as an office, actually, you know, just to pop a desk down here just to get my own space. But you'll also see a lockable door on the left, so it's child safe and friendly. And this section is all of the plant room and equipment, and you can even have your chemical storage in here just to keep it safe all the way. So working with a local pool company, they've reinstalled a new gas boiler with a heat exchange, set everything up in there. Our electrician's done some additional works as well, and that's just a great little addition. So it gives the client a changing room, which is one of the most important things that they wanted out of this, but potentially a little office space, plus all the extra storage and that plant room, all neatly tied up in a 10-year guarantee, anthracite, MTX and cement board building. So I hope that's of interest to you. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you for watching. If you've got a little space, you want a bit of a poolside room, changing room, it's that kind of multi-purpose space. By having it lined and insulated, you can use it all year round. Thanks for watching.